So now what we're going to have a look at is our sliding bevel. So this is similar in a sense to our tri-square. So we have a stock, we have a blade, and then we also have a lock nut. Alright, so what we're trying to do with this is the lock nut locks the blade in place at whatever angle that it's set. So we're going to have a look now at how we set our sliding bevel. So we're going to just loosen up our lock nut, and then we're going to adjust the blade. And what we like to do is I'm just going to use a 45-degree set square for the purpose of this one. So I'm going to place my set square along the stock, and I'm going to rotate my blade until it lines up with my set square, and then I'm going to lock that in place, loosely lock that in place, and then final check. And now we have a 45-degree line running along here. We also have a 45-degree line running along here. This can be set to pretty much any angle. All you need is just some sort of instrument or a protractor to set it. So that's our sliding bevel. We have a look next at how we actually use the bevel. So now we're going to have a look at how we use the bevel. So the bevel, in a sense, as I said before, works on the same principle of a tri-square. So the stock will be placed against the face side or the face edge of the piece, and just for this sense we're going to have a 45-degree angled line, which will form a rebate. So we take one line, and then we're going to set it with a ruler that we're going to come 10 millimeters off that line, and again we're going to place our sliding bevel tightly up against our piece of timber, slide the blade up to our line, and draw our line in. So what that does is that gives us two parallel lines running at a 45-degree angle. So just to check that, I'm going to bring my set square back in, and I'm going to slide my set square up to the lines, and I have a perfect 45-degree angle.